this video, we are going to talk about the features that we incorporated to the Genius Proflex files design. Let's take a look.
Medidenta Genius Proflex design. Genius Proflex files have features that ensure safe and efficient performance. The sequence of instruments is complete, from instruments for preflaring to large diameters for final apical enlargement. Genius Proflex is the only set of files in the market that have different heat treatments customizations for each group of instruments in the sequence. The purple blade has more austenitic characteristics, which provide them with better performance in the initial enlargement phase. Instruments with blue and gold blades are more martensitic, being flexible and resistant to cyclic fatigue. Starting with the 3008 19mm Orifice Shaper, the double S cross-section increases debris removal. Blue heat treatment and 12mm working lamina give the exact scope of action to preflare the cervical third, provoking straight-line access for the next files in sequence. One of the most important instruments in the line is the curvature sweetener. This 2506 file is 19mm long with a 14mm blade. The double S cross-section guarantees efficiency, while the gold heat treatment ensures flexibility to work within the curvature. With a 1mm wire diameter, this instrument causes a subtle enlargement at the curvature level. Pathfinder's instruments are essential in narrow and calcified canals. The first Genius Proflex glidepath instrument is the delicate Pathfinder 1303 taper file. This triangular rhomboidal instrument has a purple thermal treatment, which guarantees the exact hardness to open the way for the other larger files in the sequence. With a 0.8 wire diameter and an elongated pitch, this instrument easily slides through the anatomical canal, generating a smooth enlargement. Pathfinder 17 finalizes the glide path preparation. It is a 17-tip diameter with 0.5 taper. The Pathfinder 17 has a triangular rhomboidal cross-section with purple heat treatment, and it is made using a 0.8mm wire. In this graph, it is possible to see the enlargement created by using the Pathfinder 1303 in white, followed by the Pathfinder 17 in yellow. The Genius Proflex 2504 file has an S cross-section with a slight positive rake, which guarantees the right cutting action on both rotary, or asymmetric reciprocation motion. The purple heat treatment ensures that this file opens the apical third space, after the curvature sweetener enlargement, without compromising centering with efficiency and security. Genius Proflex 30 and 3504 files have a triangular rhomboidal cross-section, giving these apical finishing enlargement files a smooth cutting action, avoiding the typical screw and effect of larger files. The blue heat treatment gives an intermediate austenitic-martensitic performance, with the desired flexibility, even in accentuated curvatures. The larger files group are 40, 50, and 6004 files. The triangular rhomboidal cross-section avoids the screw-in effect, while the gold heat treatment assures the highest martensitic phase level of flexibility. Let's take a look at some other important features of the Genius Proflex files. Starting with the small wire diameter, allowing more flexibility, and achieving a minimally invasive preparation. A minimally invasive preparation will preserve sound dentin structure located on the cervical third, preventing eventual post-treatment root fracture. Comparing the design of the 2506 curvature sweetener with a regular 2506, note the difference in the cervical diameter of both files. Genius Proflex curvature sweetener is almost 20% thinner than the regular 2506. Genius Proflex files have different cross-sections depending on the file in the sequence. This variation aims to better accommodate the specific function of each instrument. Glide path files have a triangular cross-section, initial enlargement has double S, and final canal shaping files go back to the triangular cross-section. One of the biggest challenges of rotary instruments engineering is the tip finish. Genius Proflex tip has an entry angle of approximately 65 degrees, and a transition angle of approximately 20 degrees, allowing the instrument to smoothly follow the canal anatomy, with no ledge formation. Using the state-of-the-art CAD/CAM technology, the Genius Proflex files are ground by the Rollomatic CNC cutting tool, ensuring that features like progressive pitch and different helicoidal angles are meticulously reproduced on the instruments. Genius Proflex files are offered in different configuration packages and are available in 21, 25, and 31mm lengths. Thanks for joining us in this presentation. For more information, go to www.medidentaendo.com.